All right, haven't made a video like this in a little bit. Rochester, New York. We just got hit with a, I guess people are calling it a snowstorm. And when you live here as long as I have, I mean, really get used to it, you know what I mean? One thing's for sure though, all my fans in South Florida, Miami, Dade County, 305. I definitely ain't used to this shit. Roads is slippery. These are actually good. I was on some roads earlier that were really, really like ice rinks. Little snow fell overnight. Not sure exactly how much. I know they were calling for up to a foot, 12 inches. This is near downtown Rochester right now, baby. Just sit back and enjoy the view. And just be glad if you're not stuck in this shit. And if you're somewhere warm, perhaps even with palm trees, a nice beach, be thankful. Enjoy. Check out these cool icicles hanging from this bridge. Look at that, more cool icicles on the bottom of that bridge. It's beautiful, look at that. Look at those icicles over there, lined up. Watch this, let me zoom in. Look at those icicles, see them? And there's the Kodak building. For those of you that don't know, Rochester, New York was, I guess you could still say is, the headquarters, world headquarters of Kodak, or whatever's left of it, since they've gone through bankruptcy, and at one point they were Rochester's biggest employer, upwards of 65, 70,000 employees. I think they have about 2,000 maybe. This is a nice view here. You can kind of see the downtown buildings behind the Rochester Red Wings Stadium, Frontier Field. For those baseball fans out there who watch this channel, this is the home of the Rochester Red Wings. There we go. They used to be the farm team of the Baltimore Orioles for many, many years. Now they're the farm team of the Minnesota Twins. So if I have any fans, any Davy VTV fans out Minnesota way, this is the farm team of the Minnesota Twins, the Rochester Red Wings home stadium, Frontier Field. There's another view of historic Kodak building, Rochester, New York. This is a view of downtown Rochester, New York. And we are standing on the bridge. This is the Rochester Public Library. Bridge over the Genesee River. Look at this. I gotta hop over this big ass snow mound to give you guys this exclusive Davy VTV footage of the Genesee River. That's the Frederick Douglass Susan B. Anthony Bridge. And this is the raging Genesee River on a cold, cold winter day. And I'm standing on about a foot of snow. Xerox World Headquarters. This is pretty cool. We got the Weather Channel here in Rochester, New York, and they're setting up camp here in downtown Rochester. So apparently the snowstorm is a big deal, or they just need footage. I'm not sure. We'll step over here and see what we got. It's pretty cool though, right? Good morning.
Davy? Oh no.
Davy, yeah.
Oh hey, it's Gary.
Oh man, I couldn't even.
brother.
I'm doing a little something. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
This is it happens to be live. You want to say hi to the viewers a little bit? This is Gary Craig,
Hello,
senior
viewers.
writer for the DNC, Rochester, New York. And I did a little video. We were on the Court Street Bridge, and so this is. And I was joking with the viewers. I'm not live, but I'm gonna throw it on there later. I was joking that maybe it is a bigger deal than I thought. The storm.
Well, I think they were live during the night. I know.
Oh,
so
they were here.
When it was
Okay.
really coming down.
Got you.
Yeah.
Just doing a little footage and a little like mini.
Oh, good.
Trying to switch up the channel a little bit. You know what I mean, Gary?
There you go.
Do a little variety.
Yeah. My photographer's on the way. He's kind of. I went to work this morning. Forgot my darn laptop.
Oh
He's
my
kind enough
God.
to swing by my house on the way in and get it for me.
I'm gonna get a little footage. Good to see you, man.
Hey, take care, buddy.
Happy New Year again,
Happy New
Gary.
Year. I'll see you.
Thank you, Gary. Look at this big ass snow mound that I'm gonna get on again for you guys. All for you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Up to my knees, literally. So we're out of the road. And again, that's the Weather Channel. Thought that was pretty cool though. It's pretty cool. Weather Channel right there set up.